A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development on the international trade front, China announced on Sunday that it will impose restrictions on government purchases of medical devices from the European Union. This countermeasure comes as a direct response to the EU's recent restrictions on Chinese companies, marking an escalation in the ongoing trade tensions between these two major economies. The Chinese Finance Ministry stated that the ban will apply to medical devices valued at over 45 million yuan, approximately $6.3 million. The decision is expected to impact a wide range of medical products, including prosthetic devices, surgical instruments, and various medical machinery. This latest move follows the European Union's decision last month to prevent Chinese companies from participating in public tenders for medical devices worth over 60 billion euros annually, citing unfair access for EU firms in the Chinese market. The EU's action was the first to be implemented under its international procurement instrument, which aims to ensure reciprocal market access for companies. The Chinese Commerce Ministry expressed disappointment over the EU's actions, stating, "Regrettably, despite China's goodwill and sincerity, the EU has insisted on going its own way, taking restrictive measures and building new protectionist barriers." In addition to the medical device ban, China will also restrict imports of medical devices from other countries if they contain EU-made components worth more than 50% of the contract value. These measures are set to take effect immediately, further complicating the already strained trade relations. The tension has been exacerbated by the EU's imposition of tariffs on electric vehicles manufactured in China, which Beijing has responded to with duties on imported brandy from the EU, particularly cognac from France. Major cognac producers have been granted exemptions from the new levies, provided they adhere to undisclosed minimum pricing. The backdrop of these developments is a scheduled leaders' summit between China and the EU later this month, which may become a platform for addressing these escalating trade disputes. As both sides prepare for this high-stakes meeting, the world watches closely to see if diplomatic solutions can be found to ease the growing friction in trade relations. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.